Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through two ways that you can activate your Windows for free. But if this is your first time of visiting our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Okay, let's get started. So I prepared a script so that we can go through the different ways that you can follow to activate our Windows, and this is going to be done on the command line. Okay, so let's just start it. First, what you have to do is to open your command prompt as an administrator. So first and first, you have to open your command prompt as an administrator. Second step, you have to install your KMS client key by executing the command given, that is this one, and then your Lances key. And here your Lances key, you have to pick from one of these lists, and mine, for instance, mine is Microsoft Windows Home, so I have to choose the first one. If yours is any of this, then you have to choose your Lances key from any of this. And also, if you want to know the type of Microsoft Windows that you are using, that is the OS that you are using, then you can go to settings, that is you go to system information. So you quickly go to system information, and then from here, that is here, you can find out the type of OS you are using. So you can see my OS name, and you can see Microsoft Windows 10 Home. So check yours, whichever Microsoft Windows that you are using. Try and check and pick it from one of the lists. So mine is Microsoft Windows 10 Home, so I picked that one from the list. So you can see mine is on top here. That is this is the Lances key. Okay, so the third step is to configure the KMS machine address by executing this command. So I'll give you this list below the comment section, that I'll give you there, so that you can get access to them. So after you execute this command, and you have to do you have to press enter to continue. And the last step, you have to finally activate your Windows by typing in the command, that is this given here, and then press enter, and that will be all for it. So guys, let's get started on the command line. Okay, so first of all, you have to come to your search button, or you can press Ctrl R, Windows, and then R, so that I can type in my CMD. So Windows R CMD. So this opens the command prompt, but remember, you are not opening as an administrator, so you have to be very careful. Once you open it like this, it is not in administrator mode. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are in the administrator mode. So I come Windows R, then I type in command prompt. Or guys, let me do it this way. I type in CMD here, CMD, so you can see the command prompt pop up. So I'll open it as an administrator. So we open it as an administrator. So first of all, what we are going to do here, so let me do it like this. Okay, so I hope you can see, guys. So let's first of all start the first command. Okay, so this has been pasted. So let's quickly grab our Lances key. Mine is home, so I'm gonna use this one to install the KMS. Okay, so guys, you have to leave a little bit space before you paste it. So you leave some space and paste in, and press enter. So you can see that it has run. Now the second step, you can see that here there's some install product key this successful. And the third step is to configure our KMS machine address by executing the command. So let's quickly grab this command, that is the one here without the quotation mark, and then we copy it, go to our command prompt, and then paste it there. Okay, so after pasting, we press enter. So you can see it has run successful, and then you can read here. Sorry, it's a little bit small to read, but if I can see clearly, it says that it has been successfully done. That's our key management service machine name set to this address successfully. Okay, so we press OK and move to the final step, that is to finally activate our Windows. So what we have to do is to execute this simple command, that is this here. So I copy it, and then I come to my command prompt and paste in this command and press enter to activate the Windows. So we have to wait for a little bit for the Windows installation to take place. Okay, so it has finally activated the Windows, and you can see that here we have product activated successfully. So for those of you that started this process without our Windows being activated, we can quickly check our Windows to see whether it is activated or not. Just go to your control panel. So you go to your control panel, you go to system and security, and go to system. From there you can see whether your Windows is activated or not. So you can see my Windows is activated. So yours, if you started it without it being activated, well, after you finish it and you come back, you see that your Windows will be activated. So for those of you who started this tutorial with this kind of problem, like your Windows cannot be activated, after you go through these steps, you realize that your Windows will be activated. So let's go to the next method.